elements a plus 3b, and then first element minus second element, first element minus third element, first element minus fourth element until to reach last column, a minus b whole cube. This is shortcut method directly. Next, the function half log x square plus y square is harmonic or non-harmonic. What I gave the procedure harmonic, del square f is equal to 0. Laplacian equation satisfies that function is called harmonic function. Del square f is equal to dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0 implies f is harmonic. Okay. Now what is that function is given? F is equal to half log x square plus y square. So dou f by dou x, this becomes 2x, 2 cancel, x by x square plus y square. Similarly, del f by del y, symmetric function, y by x square plus y square. Dou square f by dou x square. U by v rule, this becomes x square plus y square into 2x, that is y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square. Due to symmetry, x is replaced by y is replaced by x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So adding these two, this is going to become 0, so the given function is harmonic. Okay, just apply u by v rule. X square plus y square into 1 minus x into 2x, x square minus 2x square, y square minus x square, using double derivative. So therefore del square f is equal to 0. The function is harmonic. Next, Saurabh, please solve second sum given on page 22 of Get Form Notes. Which chapter? Page 22, second problem. Which chapter? Page 22. You just type the chapter or whatever it may be, so that I can get it, Saurabh. Okay. Next, Shailesh. So what is the error function and Bessel function in the electrical syllabus triply booklet, page number 307, question number 8? Sir, in this question is wrong. The question is wrong. See, earlier it is the problems with 5 marks, descriptive type. That's why they have given like that. Okay. Just by heart that what they give, error function and Bessel function not required, all these, but you remember error function answer. Okay, error function of x is given 2 by root pi integral 0 to x e power minus t square dt. Okay, not required generally, but anyhow formulas to you remember. If you put root x, then it will get integral 0 to root x. Similarly Bessel integral also. Okay, but in my experience the bits didn't come from these things. Whenever the questions by that time in olden days, that is 90s or 95s, you have that is 5 marks descriptive questions. So there it is required only. Okay. Now according to the syllabus it is not there. Next, booklet page number 307, question number 13. Okay, let me see. Just a second. What will be the problem answer for the triply booklet, page number 307? So radius of curvature also, just remember formula, not required to evaluate that answers. Okay, that is radius of curvature denoted by rho root over 1 plus dy by dx whole square sorry 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square. Not required. This is also not in the syllabus. Next question, electrical booklet, linked answer question 5 and 6. Just a minute. So just a minute, I will verify. First of all, just by heart that formula j0 x and j1 x, j0 dash x minus j1 x. Okay, error function, I have explained error function of x. Here it is given root x, no problem, just replace x by root x. 307 13th question number 13. Okay, first of all question number 8. Just a minute. Actually that is unit step function, just modify question number 8 307. This is the 1 0 less than t less than a by 2 minus 1 a by 2 less than t less than a. Okay, so it is a square wave function and we can express it is a periodic function with a 0 to a to 2a, like that it is going to define. So accordingly answer is minus, not minus, 2 times u of t minus u of t minus a by 2 plus u of t minus a minus u of t minus 3a by 2. Just express this in terms of unit step function. What I gave unit step function? Function defined in difference subintervals 1 into u of t, difference of the unit step function at the endpoints, u of t minus a by 2, and this is minus 1 into u of t minus a by 2 minus u of t minus a. So from this you can check here u of t. Why here it is getting u of t? What is in the previous case? Because it is a periodic function. The graph is, this is 1, this is minus 1, a by 2, and this is a, and similarly this one, okay. Now what is the periodic function here? 0 to a by 2 is 1, and this is minus 1, okay. So this is extendable, and you can define a to 3a by 2, 3a by 2, 2a. Similarly here, minus a by 2, 0, minus a to a, like that. You will be getting u of t minus 2 times u of t minus a by 2, okay, and plus u of t minus a so how much answer we will be getting? What is the next case? A to u of t minus a. So that is, answer is, 2 into u of t minus 2 times u of t minus a by 2 plus 2 times u of t minus a plus minus 2 times. This is the answer. So what is the next subinterval? F of t is equal to 1, a less than t less than 3a by 2 is equal to minus 1, 3a by 2 less than t less than a. Similarly you can predefine as 1, that is minus a less than t less than minus a by 2 minus 1 minus a by 2 less than t less than 0. With these assumptions, the answer is going to simplify this one, okay. The next one is actually the graph of this question is periodic function. 0, a by 2, a, minus a by 2, minus a, here this is 1, minus 1, 0 to a by 2, straight line parallel to x-axis, and then a by 2 to a, this one. Similarly, the graph is going like this, okay. Similarly, the graph is coming like this. It is a square wave function, okay. Not square wave, rectangular wave function. Using that you will get like this. Next one, 307, question number 13. Y of t is equal to 2t x of t. So L of y of t is equal to 2 times minus 1 whole power 1 d by d, Laplace transform multiplication by t, L of x of t, okay. Now what is L of x of t from question number 11? This is minus 2 d by ds of 2s by s square plus 3. This is given question number 11. Using u by v rule, this is s square plus 3 into 2 minus 2s into s square plus 3 divided by 2s divided by s square plus 3 whole square. So this simplifies to minus 4s square plus minus 3s square into minus 2, 6s square, 2 into 3, 6 minus 2, 12 divided by s square plus 3 whole square. So this is the answer. S square plus 3 whole square is given 2 into minus 1 d by ds of f bar s. In question number 11, x of t is 2s by s square plus 3 is given. So that is the answer. Let me check again. So this is the answer. Just apply UBV rule only. Multiplication by 2. Okay. The question asked, transform pair such that y of t is equal to 2t into x of t. I have taken Laplace on both sides. L of t of x of t. It is multiplication by t. Okay. What is multiplication by t? L of t into f of t minus 1 whole power 1 into d by ds of f bar s. L of x of t is taken to be question number 11. That is 2s by s square plus 3. That is the answer. Just modify it. Okay. Or any simplification, further simplification? Okay, the next one is question number 13. What will be the proper answer for this? Electrical book page 226, question number 1. 226, question number 1. That is just for remember bit, but it is not in the syllabus. Radius of curvature I have given 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 divided by d square by dx square. That is option A only, question number 1. Next question, what do you mean by orthogonal trajectories? See, a family of curves cuts another family of curves at an angle of 90 degrees, then one family of curves is called orthogonal trajectories to the other family of curves. Okay. For example, see, xy is equal to c. This is a rectangular hyperbolus, family of curves. So, first eliminate this arbitrary constant or parameter c. That means we have to differentiate first side. First with respect to x. X into dy by dx, UV rule with respect to x, plus y into x derivative with respect to x, 1. After eliminating, let us see the equation so obtained by 2. And to get orthogonal trajectories OT, replace, just refer that 13th standard textbook, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So therefore x minus dx by dy plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now solve this differential equation. The solution so obtained is called orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curves. How do you solve this? Is equation 3. So just by variable separable implies minus x dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Integrating minus x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to some k. So this is the orthogonal trajectories procedure. In terms of r comma theta, the family of curves equation is r comma theta. Now you replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr after the elimination of such arbitrary constants or parameters like this. Okay, that is the procedure. Next and related question, page number 214. Yes, one family of curves y is equal to mx, other family of curves x square plus y square is equal to c square. S1 y is equal to mx, S2 not S2, S1 is pair of family of curves, x square plus y square is equal to c square, S2 two families of curves, x square plus y square is equal to c square, comma x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to c square, not b square, y minus a whole square. So this is correct. If you find as above the procedure, take this as family of curves, then this gives orthogonal trajectories. If you take this is given family of curves, first step equation 1, then you will get this step. These are not orthogonal trajectories. So S1 is true, S2 is not true. Okay, just a minute. Okay, next question is next electrical booklet, page number 163, linked answer type questions, 5th and 6th and 7th too. 163. So that is also not required, but I have done this integral in the doubt and suggestion in Max 1 paper. You please watch VOD this question, gamma function with discussion. The coordinate of a point on the curve y is equal to x nearest to the point minus 3, 0, that I am going to solve. The question is y is equal to x square. Point is minus 3, 0. Okay. So using one by one options, first of all each option satisfying the curve equation. Then find the distance between this point and each option. Wherever you get minimum, that is called nearest. Or you apply what we call distance between 2 points. Take any point x comma y on this distance, see, p x comma y be any point on the parabola y is equal to x square, equation 1. So let us take, this is some q. What is pq square? Distance between 2 points x plus 3 whole square plus y square. And let us take, this is small f. Then I am going to use this y value x square here, x plus 3 whole square plus x power 4. One variable function. What is f dash x? Using one variable maximum minima, 2 into x plus 3 plus 4x cube is equal to 0. Okay. So this is simplifies to 2x cube plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to minus 1 satisfies. Next, what is f double dash x? So 2 into 1 plus 12x square. So f double dash minus 1 becomes 2 plus 12, 14, less greater than 0. So therefore f is minimum at x is equal to minus 1. So minimum means nearest. So therefore minimum distance is, just put here, f is equal to minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus 1. So that is 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, what is the question required? Minimum point. F is minimum at x is equal to minus 1. Okay. What is the corresponding y value? Therefore y is equal to 1, since from 1. So therefore minus 1 comma 1 is nearest to minus 3 comma 0. So this is the curve equation, equation 1. Given point taken to be q, any point on the parabola p of x comma y. Because the question asks nearest or farthest, you find the distance between these 2 points. Because distance containing square root, you better to consider square. Whenever a quantity is minimum, its square root is also minimum. Whenever a quantity is minimum, its square is also minimum. So take this function as f, then I convert it into one variable. With the help of this curve equation, I substituted here. You know the procedure of first derivative, second derivative, minimum, maximum procedure. Okay. Next, Akshay, Sir, is it necessary that all the poles must lie to the left side on the S-plane in the case of final value theorem? Yes, left hand side, LHS either lies on imaginary axis or left hand side only, but not right hand side. Compulsory. Final value theorem of Laplace theorem, Laplace functions, Laplace theorem, Laplace transform chapter. Compulsory. Left hand side only. Next, Y by Yadav. Sir, please solve this one. Given function u is equal to 0.5 half log x square plus y and its harmonic conjugate is if u is equal to log tan of, I am not getting, then tan hu by t is equal to value of theta in terms of u. So what you typed I am not getting. Anyhow, I will come back to you. Let me see that question is in the material or not. Then I will do it. Just a minute. Okay, so the question is, u is equal to half log x square plus y square. V is equal to question mark. V is called harmonic conjugate of u. Yesterday I have done harmonic conjugate of u if f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic. Whenever that function is analytic, V is called harmonic conjugate of U and vice versa. So whenever U is given, how to find V? Yesterday I shown you the procedure. dV is equal to del V by del X into dx plus del V by del Y into dy. So because we don't know V, we don't know these partial derivatives, convert into U with the help of CR equations. Minus dou u by dou y into dx, this is plus dou u by dou x into dy, since by Cauchy-Riemann equations. What is minus dou u by dou y? Minus y by x square plus y square into dx plus what is dou u by dou x? X by x square plus y square into dy. Equation 1. This is exact. Please watch VOD, the what I discussed, this m into dx plus n into dy. Yesterday problems, day before yesterday, complex variables. Okay, so integrating, you will be getting left side v only, right side integration keep y constant, the term going to integrable here minus y over x square plus y square dx. Here no terms containing x, that means the terms do not containing x, no terms containing y, so leave it, then add plus c instead of is equal to, just the procedure of total derivative method in finding v or finding u. So y is constant minus y is constant, it is 1 over in the form of x square plus a square, where y square comparing with a square, 1 over x square plus a square integration is 1 by a tan inverse x by y plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Or tan inverse y by x also. Okay. No problem. If the options are not provided, this is the procedure correct. Using by CR equations only. U is given 1 by 2 log x square plus y square. Or just see, this is also can be written as tan inverse y by x. Why? ln z. What is ln z? In terms of r and theta, r into e power I theta. ln r plus I into theta. What is r given? ln root over x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse y by x. So here this we got. Okay. What is ln of root of x square? Root means whole power of half. Using properties of logarithm, half comes into the preposition. Half means 0.5. Answer either this one or this one. Okay. Next question, if u is equal to log tan of, let me solve that also. Both correct. Minus tan inverse x by y or tan inverse y by x. So this can be written as half ln of plus I into. So this term is v. This term is u. Better to remember as a formula directly. Whenever this is given, this is answer according to the options. If the option is not given, that is also correct. The next one is what you asked, that u is equal to log tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Then what is the question asking? Then tan hu by 2. Then tan hu by 2. Okay. Now see. Remove logarithm. So this becomes exponential u. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Because it is asking u by 2, how do you get u by 2? This can be written as e power u by 2 into e power u by 2. This is same. And this can be written as e power u by 2 divided by e power minus u by 2, same. And you know componendo and dividendo. What is componendo and dividendo? A by b is equal to c by d, then add the numerators divided by difference of the numerators. Add the terms in numerator and denominator, and denominator is difference of the numerator and denominator on both sides. Tan of pi by 4, it is in the form of tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is 1 plus tan a. Tan a plus tan b, tan 45 1. Tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan pi by 4 is 1. That is 1 minus tan theta by 2. Componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Apply componendo and dividendo. So you will be getting e power u by 2 plus e power minus u by 2 divided by e power u by 2 minus e power minus u by 2. Like this, 1 plus a, add the numerator and denominator, which gives 2. Subtract the denominator quantity from numerator, 2 tan theta by 2. And this again you reverse, reciprocaling on both sides is equal to 2 cancelled, tan theta by 2. Why I reciprocal again both sides? This is in the form of tan h. tan h u by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. For this again reverse on both sides. So here I am giving the point, if a by b is equal to c by d, then component dividend tells that a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Take any numbers, any functions, it is satisfies. Now in the same bit y by other, you asked value of theta in terms of u. So now I am simplifying this result, and you remember here tan ix is equal to I tan hx. Similarly, tan hix is equal to I tan x. Using these two formulas, I am simplifying there. Tan hu by 2 in terms of I. So 1 by I. Tan I x means u by 2. Okay. And tan x the question is theta in terms of u. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, both are in the form of tan. Just a minute. One by I tan iu by 2 is equal to 1 by I tan, just comparing with tan theta by 2 here, tan x, tan hx. H I x means theta. So both sides I can cancel 1 by I, then tan hi theta is equal to tan iu by 2. Theta is equal to, I theta is equal to tan h inverse tan iu by 2. And this can be written as just one more formula here, tan h inverse x is equal to 2 times of ln of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Remember as a formula this result. So this is in the form of taking this x 2 times ln of 1 plus x means iu by 2, just a minute, log 1 half log 1 plus x tan h inverse x, log 1 plus x half tan h inverse x. Just a minute, let me recall. X means here x means tan iu by 2, so this simplifies to 1 plus tan iu by 2 divided by 1 minus tan, comparing with this formula. Okay. Now if you write 1 as tan 45, then this becomes log of tan of pi by 4 plus iu by 2, because tan 45 is equal to 1, that I have done previously here. So therefore theta is equal to 2 by I ln of tan 45 plus IU by 2. Since tan pi by 4 plus any angle can be written as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is the, so many formulas are in, came here. And 1 over I is minus I. Okay. Sorry, here tan theta by 2, this simplifies to here tan I theta by 2. So this simplifies to I theta by 2 and 2 log and then 2 goes to this side. What is tan is half, so this 2 cancelled, and this is 1 over I. 1 over I is nothing but minus I into remaining logarithm. Just here I forgot, right? Here it is theta by 2, but I wrote previously theta, tan theta. Here tan x is equal to, bring that I into here, 1 over I tan x. X is nothing but theta by 2. Okay? Using that. So many formulas came. Next, pursue difference between poles and singularities. See, pole is a type of singularity. First I discussed yesterday, please watch what is singularity. Next, isolated singularity, non-isolated singularity. Based on isolated singularities, 3 more sub-singularities are given. The 3 more names are, first is removable singularity, essential singularity, third one is pole. Okay? Just observe that yesterday's notes, what I gave in detail, in both definitions, both methods, the 3 definitions, both methods with examples I have given. Next.